Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
The truth behind cancer is that the body is acidic and you need to do something. Here is what. Dr. Otto Warburg is the man who is accredited with discovering the genuine reason for cancer. If you want to learn the real reason, keep reading the article. Dr. Warburg was director of the Kaiser Wilhelm Institute, now Max Planck Institute, for cell physiology at Berlin and a Nobel Prize winner. He is known to have researched the metabolism of tumors and the respiration of cancer cells. Metabolism of tumors is his work in which he demonstrated that all forms of cancer are characterized by two basic conditions: acidosis, hypoxia, lack of oxygen. Hence, he discovered that all normal body cells meet their energy needs by respiration of oxygen, whereas cancer cells meet their energy needs in great part by fermentation of sugars. As a result, the cancer cells are anaerobic and cannot survive in an alkaline body, high levels of oxygen. On the contrary, cancer survives without oxygen and in a low pH acidic and toxemic environment. Moreover, the cancerous tissues are acidic. One of the most important ways to balance the pH levels in the body is the proper and healthy diet. We should all aim to achieve and keep our bodies at an alkaline level of 7.365. If the pH becomes too acidic, it is the culprit of various life-threatening diseases, such as cancer and diabetes. Hence, maintaining the pH levels in the body is crucial. Fortunately, it can be easily achieved with an amazing natural remedy. The following remedy can neutralize the pH, create an alkaline-forming environment, and help with stomach acid. Home remedy to alkalize the body. Ingredients: 1/3 teaspoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice or organic apple cider vinegar. Instructions: you should mix the ingredients and the acid combination will immediately begin to fizz. Keep adding baking soda until the fizz stops and then fill the glass with 8 ounces water. You should drink it immediately.